CNC Go break number 4008. We're on to the 1314 Prime times 2. Base card number to 299 for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Oh, that's pretty. We've got a Prime Colors patch, numbered 3 of 10 for the Florida Panthers, Jacob Markstrom. 3 of 10 for the Panthers, Jacob Markstrom. We've got a quad jersey, numbered 50 of 50 for the Dallas Stars, Alex Goligoski, Sergei Gonchar, Trevor Daley, and Brendan Dillon. Quad jersey, numbered 50 of 50 for the Stars. We've got a rookie jersey, numbered to 100 for the Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. We've got a dual player quad patch, numbered 6 of 25 for the Florida Panthers, Ed Belfour and Roberto Luongo. 6/25 for the Panthers, Eddie Belfour, Roberto Luongo. We've got a rookie jersey prime patch, fight strap, and autograph, number 25 of 25 for the New Jersey Devils, John Merrill. 25 for the Devils, John Merrill. We've got a quad jersey auto rookie number to 199 for the Anaheim Ducks, Victor Faust. And a base card number to 299 for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. All right. On to prime box number 2. All right, we got a base silver, number 47 of 50 for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. We've got a prime signatures, number to 99 for the Anaheim Ducks, Jakob Silfverberg. We've got a namesakes letter autograph, number to 75 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jonathan Bernier. 75 for the Leafs, Jonathan Bernier. We've got a Contenders rookie ticket patch and autograph, number to 100 for the Minnesota Wild, Darcy Kemper. We've got a dual player quad jersey prime, number 11 of 50 for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Sobotka and Vladimir Tarasenko. Vladimir Sobotka, Vladimir Tarasenko. We've got a namesakes letter autograph, number to 75 for the San Jose Sharks, Tomas Hertl. The Ninja Hertl, number to 75 for the Sharkies. We've got a quad jersey auto rookie, number to 299 for the San Jose Sharks, Tomas Hertl. Why not? The Ninja Hertl times 2. And we got a base card number to 299 for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. All right, coming up next, the 2 boxes of National Treasures.